Hello everyone. You know that I've been sharing cool tools with you. That is to say, technology resources like apps, especially free apps. So there's another one I want to share with you today. It's called OneNote, Microsoft OneNote. So this is great. It's great because you can install it on all of your devices and all your notes will always be synchronized. It's free. You're looking right now at my email screen. I'm going to show you where to go get it. And it lets you take any kind of notes you can imagine, the kinds that you might write down in a real notebook. Website address, friend's name, appointments, notes you made in class, anything, everything, including photos, audio, and video. Okay? And you can even have it linked to Microsoft Outlook. So it's a good one. Where do you get it? You're in your email like I am. You go up to the upper left corner and click the App Launcher, and then you click OneNote. In a few seconds it will open up for you. If you've never completed or created a notebook before, now's the time to do it by clicking New Notebook. You're going to give it a name. For instance, it could be DPW class. And you're going to click Create. From there, and I won't have time to show you this today in this video, you're going to start taking notes of all kinds, being a lot more productive and probably a lot more organized. So I hope you like it. Let me know.